Good morning. I am coming to you from Colonial Williamsburg, Hampton Inn, and I was going to give you just a little room tour to show you the basics of this room. It is your basic Hampton Inn room, but if you've never stayed at Hampton, here we go. All right, so we've got the door, of course. There's your locks, your standard bathroom. Lotion and hand soap, and then in the shower there are shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The shower pressure was really good. I don't know what was going on, but it was excellent last night. I do have a connecting room, so I think that made the noise a little bit more than would have been normal. Here's your closet with your safe, extra towels, ironing board, iron, laundry bag, luggage rack, and the closet door is a full-length mirror. So, and then we've got this tiny dresser with one drawer. We've got a dresser with 3 drawers with the TV. We do have ice bucket. I got 4 cups wrapped up in plastic there. Microwave, big fridge, trash. And then the little coffee maker, which also came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups, I think. So I used one. Decaf and regular. Phone, lamp. And then the bed, sorry about the unmade bed. More lamps over the beds. And the thermostat there on the wall. So that's it. Some generic art on the wall as well. So this particular location does have free parking. It is lot parking. I'm very close to Colonial Williamsburg. I think I'm maybe a mile and a half, if that. There was a free breakfast downstairs. They do a selection of hot items every morning, plus pastries, cereal, oatmeal, and waffles, fresh waffles that you make yourself. This morning there was sausage, eggs, and potatoes. And then they have a selection of juices. There's hot coffee 24 hours, I believe, in the lobby. I know it was there when I got here yesterday at 1, and when I left for dinner, when I got back from dinner at around 8:30. So yeah, so that's your basic hotel room. I do recommend this hotel. It is not sketchy as I was afraid it was going to be. It could be because I'm here on a weekday that I got an under $100 rate, or it could be that there's a lot of competition on this road toward the entrance of Colonial Williamsburg. There are a lot of budget hotels along this strip of road, so that could be what it is. I don't know. I was just glad to find it for under $100. Well, that's it. I'm about to pack up. Well, I am packed up. I'm about to go downstairs and get on the road to Colonial Williamsburg.